The primary benefit of passing on the business to the next generation is to preserve a legacy that sometimes is built over many lifetimes. Today, with the transfer tax system, if you do no planning, you face huge hurdles in being able to transfer that business from one generation to the next. Business owners don't plan to fail, they just fail to plan.
Most of our clients, or a vast majority of them, are closely held business owners. And so we help our business owner clients deal with a whole wide range of issues, both with their business, but personally with their estate. Their business typically is their estate. And so the estate planning and business planning becomes a natural connection.
Hinkle Law has a comprehensive approach to family business planning. We have a department of 6 attorneys, 3 CPAs, 4 legal assistants, and a support staff to support the family business owner. We have experience and we have the knowledge of dealing with family businesses and the risks that are inherent in family businesses and help family businesses thrive and grow.
But also a lot of business owners care about who is the next generation or the next person to succeed them. They care about their business reputation, they care about their business service, they care about their customers, and they care about their employees. And so they want to know who is going to be coming next. And so that needs to be thought about before that transition occurs.
So that when they are ready to transition the business, not only have the business succession plan been put in place to provide that smooth transition and provide that transparency to the key stakeholders. That could be the business owner's spouse, the family, the people who are taking over the business. Once that plan is in place and everybody knows how this is going to transition, it provides them the security of knowing exactly what's going to happen. And if there is an unexpected occurrence somewhere in that process, everybody knows kind of what the plan is then for that transition.
Good sound planning will start with setting up the business in the proper entity to begin with, to positioning the business for success, then having a good back office to take care of family office planning and support.
But we are thinking about that through the whole process. And when the time comes for there to be a succession or a transition event, we want a long runway. So we want to be thinking about this because the business owner typically, of course, wants a good price for it. And if we are trying to find a business succession buyer or participant, and we're doing this 30 days out, it's going to be very difficult to find someone that's going to be paying the price that we want. We need to know what price we want, and then we need to find that.
When time is on your side, there are a lot of decisions to be made. You know, we can implement quickly, but a lot of times there are decisions that the business owner has to make with him, his executive team, his family, that are just really hard decisions and can sometimes take time for him or her to really think through that. So anything that you can do ahead of time to plan, the better.
You know, there was a commercial years ago for Ronco products where you would put the chicken into the oven, you'd set it and forget it. And that was the common thing that this particular pitchman was known for. Well, you can't do that with an estate plan, and you certainly can't do that with a business succession plan. You have to review these on a regular basis. You have to maintain them. You have to update it to reflect changes in the market, changes in the business, whether it's success or decline. And it's important to have that review on a regular basis.
Planning can open up available options to the business owner when they are ready to let go or to exit the business. We can focus on many different areas to help the client identify who would be a potential successor in that business. Sometimes we help the client groom a successor. We identify a management team and we help that team gain the ability, both financially and from an experience standpoint, to become a business owner.
The main goal to me would be just having that roadmap where you want to go. If you have that plan, we know where to go. It doesn't matter if you're, a mom and pop with, a couple rental properties, or if you're a $100 million business. If we know where you want to go, we can get you there in a tax efficient manner. And being early is the key. If you're 20 years from retirement and you come in and you have a $5 million business and you let us know that, hey, I'm hoping to grow this into a $50 million business when I retire, well, we can do a lot there from a planning perspective.
Most business owners see a legacy in their business just like they see a legacy in their family. And they both want a longer lasting impact.
Here at Hinkle, we work collaboratively to give the client peace of mind of knowing they have the experience and the knowledge to take care of their problems. We work as a team. We subdivide different issues and problems down to solve that problem, and then work together to bring that back to the client to provide that peace of mind to solve their problems.